اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم اللہم افتح علینا حکمتک وانشر علینا رحمتک یا ذا الجلال والاکرام. We are reading lesson number 12, Sakin and Tanween, Izhar, Ikfa. There are 4 cases regarding Noon, Sakin and Tanween: Izhar, Ikfa, Idgham, Iqlab. Let's start the lesson. Mim Noon Zir Min, Kaf Zir Ki, Mia Ki, Ta vertical Zabat Ta, Mia Ki Ta, Ba double Zir Bin, Mia Ki Ta Bin. Kaf is present after Noon Sakin. Kaf is letter of Ikfa. When any letter of Ikfa is present after Noon Sakin, then Ikfa will be made, nasalization Gunna will be done. Pronounce the vertical harkat by elongating them up to 1 alif, i.e. up to 2 harkat, like that in the case of letter of madda. Ya Noon zabar yan, Hamza waw zabar aw, yan aw, Noon zabar na, yan aw na. Hamza is present after Noon Sakin. Hamza is letter of halkiya. If any of the halkiya letter is present after Noon Sakin, then izhar will be made, nasalization gunna will not be done. When there is zabar before waw sakin, it becomes waw leen. Pronounce the letter of leen gently in Arabic accent without any elongation and jerk. Mim noon zir min, ha mim pesh hum, min hum. Ha is present after noon sakin. Ha is letter of halkiya. If any letter of halkiya is present after noon sakin, then izhar will be made, nasalization gunna will not be done. Hamza noon zabar an, ain mim zabar am, ta zabar ta, ta. Ain is present after noon sakin. Ain is letter of halkiya. If any of the letter of halkiya is present after noon sakin, then izhar will be made, nasalization gunna will not be done. Waw noon zabar one, ha ra zabar har, one har. Ha is present after noon sakin. Ha is letter of halkiya. If any letter of halkiya is present after noon sakin, then izhar will be made, nasalization gunna will not be done. Fa zabar fa, sin zabar sa, fa sa. Ya noon pesh yun, fa sa yun. Khain zir ghi, fa sa yun ghi. Dwat waw pesh du, fa sa yun ghidu. Noon zabar na, fa sa yun ghiduna. Ghain is present after noon sakin. Ghain is letter of halkiya. If any letter of halkiya is present after noon sakin, then izhar will be made, nasalization gunna will not be done. Ghain dwad always pronounced with thicker voice. It's mustaliya letter. When there is pesh before waw sakin, it becomes waw madda. Pronounce the letter of madda by elongating them up to 1 alif, i.e. up to 2 harkat. Waw lam zabar wal, mim noon pesh mun, wal mun. Kha zabar kha, wal mun kha, noon zir ni, wal mun khani. Qaf zabar qa, wal mun khani qa. Ta pesh tu, wal mun khani qatu. Kha is present after noon sakin. Kha is letter of halkiya. If any letter of halkiya is present after noon sakin, then izhar will be made, nasalization gunna will not be done. Kha, qaf always pronounced with thicker voice. It's mustaliya letters. Hamza noon zabar an, ta zabar ta, ta. Ta is present after noon sakin. Ta is letter of ikfa. If any letter of ikfa is present after noon sakin, then ikfa will be made, nasalization gunna will be done. Ta noon zabar tan, sin waw zabar saw, ta saw. Noon zabar na, ta saw na. Sin is present after noon sakin. Sin is letter of ikfa. If any letter of ikfa is present after noon sakin, then ikfa will be made, nasalization gunna will be done. Noon noon pesh noon, shin ze shi, noon shi, za pe zu, noon shi zu ha, alif zabar ha, noon shi zu ha. Shin is present after noon sakin. Shin is letter of ikfa. If any letter of the ikfa is present after nun sakin, then ikfa will be made, nasalization gunna will be done. Ya nun zabar yan, swat pe su, ya su, ra waw pe shru, ya suru, nun zabar na, ya suruna. Swad is present after nun sakin. Swad is letter of ikfa. If any letter of ikfa is present after nun sakin, then ikfa will be made, nasalization gunna will be done. When there is pesh before waw sakin, it becomes waw madda. Pronounce the letter of madda by elongating them up to one alif, i.e. up to 2 harkat. Swad always pronounced with thicker voice, its mustaliya letter. Mim nun zabar man, dwad waw pesh du, ma du, dal double z din, ma du din. Duad is present after nun sakin. Duad is letter of ikfa. If any letter of ikfa is present after nun sakin, then ikfa will be made, nasalization gunna will be done. Duad is always pronounced with thicker voice, its mustaliya letter. When there is pesh before waw sakin, it becomes waw madda. Pronounce the letter of madda by elongating them up to one alif, i.e. up to 2 harkat. Sadaqallahul Azim.